this is Simanshu Ranjan. Today I came up with one more job vacancy for all of you, and this vacancy is for CA or CMA. Okay, so this vacancy is came in Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Okay, so here post name is Accounts Officer. Okay, so I will discuss everything. Wait. Here you can see the details related to vacancies. Okay, details of vacancies. Okay, so name of the post is accounts officers. Name of service is Tamil Nadu State Treasury and Account Service. Number of vacancy here is 23. Okay, so scale of pay here is 56,900 to 2,09,200. Okay, so here important data are also given. Okay, so online application form fill up is already started. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you can fill the form. Okay, and the last date for submission of online application here is 13/8/2022. Okay, so date of examination CBT date is also mentioned here. Okay, so here you have to give two paper, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 they will ask related to your subject paper related to cost accountancy. Okay, this cost accountancy मतलब PG standard level. Okay, PG degree standard. Okay, so your date of your CBT examination is 8/10/2022. Okay, and paper 2 here is Tamil eligibility test and paper B general studies. Okay, so paper 1 here is subject matter cost accountancy. One more thing I will tell you that you can prepare paper 1 subject paper cost accountancy. Here mention here is you can prepare this from my MCQ. This MCQ you will purchase at only at a nominal ₹500. Okay, you can purchase my MCQ at only by paying a nominal amount 500, and from that MCQ you can prepare this subject paper related questions. Okay, but I will discuss everything in this video. First of all, I will discuss important points related to this recruitment. Okay, educational qualification, what they are asked related to your this recruitment, what will be the educational qualification. They first of all you can see the name of the post accounts officer. Okay, so educational qualification here is must have passed the final examination conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountant and a Cost Accountant. Okay, if you are a CA or CMA, then you are eligible. Okay, so here you can see registration fee you have to pay 150 and examination fee 200 rupees. Okay, so I hope so I have discussed everything. Okay, one more thing, they are also given to you the syllabus for this examination. Okay, they are also given to you syllabus for examination CBT. Okay, so here you can see cost accountancy postgraduate degree standard level type of questions they will ask. Okay, so unit 1 accounting standard gap is company accounts, accounting for banking, electricity, insurance company, accounting for cooperative society, branch departments, accounting for non-profit organization and incomplete records, computerized accounting systems, auditings, nature and scope and significance of auditing, audit engagement, audit program, audit working paper, audit notebook, audit evidence, internal check. Okay, so these are the syllabus. Okay, you can download this recruitment. You can download this PDF from my Telegram. You can go in the description box of this video. From there you can see one link is there. You can click on that link and join my Telegram channel. From there you will get this PDF. Okay, and one more thing I will tell you that you can prepare this paper 1 from my MCQ, and you can prepare paper 1 from my MCQ. You have to pay at only 500 rupees. You will have to pay only 500. I will provide you more than 2000 MCQ. Okay, from that MCQ you can easily prepare paper 1. Okay, paper 1. Okay, so in that MCQ I have already covered accounting, auditing, financial management, taxations, laws, management accountings. Okay, so in that MCQ everything will be covered. You can purchase that MCQ. How you can purchase that MCQ? Go and check the description box of this video. Details related to how to purchase MCQ are mentioned. From there you can see everything. Okay, so you can purchase my MCQ, and from and with the help of MCQ you can prepare very well for your examination. Okay, so I will keep this video intact, and if you feel that this video is useful for all of you, then please like this video and share this video to all the group, all the people who are going to fill the form for this examination. Okay, so and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay.